A pasta casserole packed full of flavor with Italian sausage, onions, peppers, and a creamy, cheesy, zesty sauce. You don't want to miss this one. I'm Tess, and welcome to my kitchen. In my pan on medium heat, I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil and my Italian sausage. This is 1 pound of hot Italian turkey sausage, and I took off the outer casings. You can use the Italian sausage of your choice. All the seasonings in the Italian sausage will add great flavor to this casserole. Browning and chopping the sausage, and I don't want to get the pieces too small. Adding in 1 medium diced onion and red bell pepper. 1 diced seeded jalapeno that I needed to use, and this is optional. A little salt and black pepper, cooking and stirring for 3 to 4 minutes. This is 1 good tablespoon of minced garlic, and this may seem like a good bit, but remember it's flavoring the entire casserole. Giving that a good stir for about 30 seconds, and then removing from the heat. Now I'm making the zesty sauce, and I'm starting by making a roux. In my pan on low-medium heat, I have 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I'm melting, and then I'm adding in 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stirring constantly and cooking for about a minute. You will see it foam and bubble a little. I'm slowly adding in 3 cups of whole milk, and I'm turning my heat up to a medium-high. Keep stirring, and you will see the flour will absorb and the sauce will start to thicken. You don't want to bring this to a full boil. This will take several minutes. Once the sauce thickens, I'm turning off my heat. And now comes the cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like. I happen to have 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese and 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, giving that a good stir until incorporated. Adding in 1 can of Rotelle, or you can use diced tomatoes, giving that another good stir. For more flavor, I have 1 tablespoon of Italian seasonings and about 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes for some heat. Also at this time, you want to give it a taste for any salt or black pepper. The cheese has plenty of salt for us, but you can add as you wish. Now I'm combining the Italian sausage mixture with the sauce. This is smelling so good, I could eat it just like that. For the pasta, I'm using cavatappi. You can use the pasta that you like. I cooked the pasta for 7 minutes and drained. The pasta will finish cooking in the casserole. I also save some of the pasta water if I need to thin out my sauce, giving that a good stir. I'm pouring everything into my lightly oiled baking pan and leveling out. I can see already where my pasta may need a little more liquid, so I'm lightly pouring over about 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of my pasta water. I don't want the casserole to be dry. I'm covering the casserole with foil and baking at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. The kitchen is really smelling good. I'm removing the cover and sprinkling with about 1 cup of cheddar cheese. Baking uncovered for an additional 5 minutes or until the cheese is melted. The Italian sausage pasta casserole is done and really hot. Let the casserole cool down for a good 10 to 15 minutes before serving. This casserole is a good hearty zesty meal for a hungry family. I hope you give this creamy Italian sausage pasta casserole a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!